In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to classify survey responses with the AI function in Google Sheets. This is a simple way to let Gemini read each response and assign it to a category so you can scan themes at a glance instead of tagging every row by hand. Let's get started. First, open Google Sheets in your browser. Once the Sheets homepage loads, look at the recent spreadsheets list near the top of the screen. Find the spreadsheet that contains your survey data and click it once to open it. When the spreadsheet opens, take a quick look at the layout. You should see that columns A through D contain the imported survey responses. These columns hold the information you already collected from your respondents. Column E, on the other hand, should be completely empty. This empty column is where we are going to add our AI-generated categories, so confirm that nothing is in there before moving on. Now we are going to add a header for the new category column. Click on cell E1, which is the very first cell at the top of column E. Once that cell is selected, type the category header. After typing the header, press Enter on your keyboard to save it. The cursor will move down to cell E2 automatically, but if it does not, click on cell E2 yourself, so we are ready to enter the formula right under the new category header. With cell E2 selected, we are going to enter the classification formula. Type the AI classification formula directly into cell E2. If you would like to save time, you can copy the formula from the pinned comment below the video and paste it into the cell. Take your time getting the formula in correctly, because the structure of the prompt is what tells Gemini how to label each response. Once the formula is in place, press Enter on your keyboard, look at cell E2 and confirm that it now says Generating. That message means Gemini has received the prompt and is processing it in the background. Wait a few moments for the output to appear in cell E2. When you see the first category label show up, you know the AI formula is working properly, and we can move on. Next, we need to copy this AI formula down to every single response row, so each row gets its own classification. Click on cell E2 again so it is the active cell. Look at the bottom right corner of the cell, where you will see a small blue square. This is called the fill handle. Grab that fill handle with your mouse by clicking and holding it. Now drag the fill handle straight down through cell E9, so every cell from E2 through E9 is included in the selection. Release the mouse button. Confirm that cells E2 through E9 are all attempting to generate a classification from the prompt. You will likely see generating messages appear in each cell. Wait patiently for Google Sheets to finish working through the rows and produce the labels. Once the process is complete, confirm that the cells in column E now show actual category names instead of formula text. Now we will review the results and refresh any classification that needs another try. Scan down the category column in column E and compare a few of the labels against the matching survey responses sitting next to them in column D. If a label looks unclear or does not quite fit, click on that category cell to select it. To make Sheets try that row again, click Refresh and insert in the AI function control that appears for that cell. Look at the new result, and if it matches the response better than the original, keep the refreshed label in place. At this point, your sheet should show each survey response in column D with a category label right beside it in column E, such as pricing, support, shipping, website, performance, onboarding, or other. You can now quickly scan the category column to spot the main themes in your feedback without having to read and tag every response manually.